Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, the Courtney Sisters. Today's video is gonna be kind of different. I don't know why, but we just thought it would be fun to try and react to something and just like see if if you guys like it and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We found a really cool, like, scary, creepy video thing, and we're excited to do that.
We're gonna react to it.
Yeah, we're gonna react to it, and yeah.
Okay.
But before we do get started with the video, don't forget to
like the video,
comment, share the video, and
subscribe to our channel. Sorry, it comes and goes for me. I forget sometimes. But yeah, let's get started.
Okay, wait, I don't know why I'm starting this. Hold on. We are starting now.
Doorbell cameras. So let's get into it.
Perfect.
This first video was uploaded by a Reddit user back in 2021, and it's pretty terrifying.
Oh my god, that's scary.
Oh my god. What has he got in his hand? What a freak.
And the fact that there's someone else behind her, dude.
What did he have in his hand?
I don't know.
It's pretty sad you can't just walk in your home anymore without looking around both shoulders these days.
Oh my god, I could never. Oh,
in this next video, we're treated to probably the two worst and idiotic criminals I think I probably have ever seen. I'll just let the video do the talking.
Thing two.
They're drunk, so they're even stupider.
I think I can figure out the code though.
People are retarded nowadays.
They think.
2, maybe? 6?
Are you serious?
They look like they were hanging out one day and they're like, you know, it'd be fun tonight. Let's go rob my neighbor, or let's go rob that street up there, that house up the road.
I know, that's what it looks like. Should I lock
the
the door?
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Are you serious? Yeah, they're definitely
they definitely did not plan this.
This is not
After they
planned. This is
decided
just
to
something
leave,
you stupidly
one of these
did.
not so bright criminals ended up leaving his wallet inside the home that they
What
just
an
broke into.
idiot!
The fact that though, because I realized, oh crap, I forgot my wallet.
I can't believe you forgot. I can't believe you.
What was the number again? Oh my god. They run into strangers.
Yeah, this was not planned.
No.
This was seriously just a spontaneous run night thing with these two guys.
Got the wallet. Found his wallet. Stupid.
These things just make me really go like.
Don't do anything. Oh.
I just put my head down and
Had to get something. See, I had to get something. What's the
code?
code? Oh my god.
These are not good criminals.
No.
They're not planned.
This is no way there's like actual serious people about this. They're terrible at what they're doing.
Oh my god.
This Ring camera footage shows why you shouldn't just open your door to anyone. You just never know what their true intentions are.
That's true.
Yeah. Looked like he was trying to maybe shut off the ring light. Or not the ring light, the ring doorbell.
Hello.
The doorbell ring camera.
Who are you? Good. You need to leave. Out there. Out there. What? What's the stairs area? Come on, where are you going? What's the stairs area?
Dang.
Goodbye, you.
Oh my god.
I think they learned their lesson and will check their camera from now on before opening their door to any stranger. What are the odds of a snake waiting for you at your door?
Dude, those are terrifying.
Well, this guy is about to find out.
Oh.
Oh my god. Poor dude.
This
He
next
got
video
bitten
is a
in.
little disturbing, as we see two officers approach this home late at night with a dog barking at them. Unfortunately, the cop presumes to kick the dog, which in my opinion was poor judgment, just before banging on the door.
What the freak?
Listen.
The dog's just protecting his family, and then you're gonna be some idiot and kick a dog? Animal abuse. Animal
Oh my god.
He's literally destroyed their entire freaking porch.
And beat some dog up.
Wow. That cop needs to go to jail or something. Like, he literally came on their property, hurt their dog, and destroyed their stuff.
Property.
Their
Then
property,
a
yeah.
lady from across the street yells out to the cops saying she has the homeowner's number and offers it to the cops.
Pedestrian. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Are they not home, I take it? Okay.
Then why is the dog?
What the
Alright, thank
flip?
The
They're
video
police
ends here,
officers.
and we don't know what or why they were even at that house, and why that cop kicked that dog the way he did. I'm
Yeah.
just hoping he had to face consequences for animal abuse.
What he
Yeah.
freaking did.
People are so strange.
100%.
Like, what is this guy doing?
Free?
I don't know. Is he hiding? That's weird, dude. He just
What was that about?
he just came up there to
This is probably one
Maybe he
of the
was trying to
craziest
hide
and
from
most
some-
confusing
his
ring
wife or
footage I have
something.
ever seen.
Oh my gosh.
What the flip? It's regular. What? The car's like flipped on the side.
Yeah, I know. It looked like
Dude,
it
the
might have
person
been
just-
a chase, though.
It was. Yeah, because see, the cops were
my.
chasing them.
Oh my.
They came up the freaking windshield, though. That's what got me.
Look
The wind.
at that person with their dog.
We unfortunately don't know why these
I
cops
mean,
were
the
chasing
police,
this
sorry.
vehicle. Just
Person
crazy
who-
they all seem to avoid any injuries in the accident.
Right.
Like I said earlier, people
Oh
are so
my God.
strange. Like, why did he walk up to the door like
Okay,
that?
that might look like a demon.
These people are getting weirder by the day.
They
I
are.
swear.
Yes,
They
they
are.
are.
This next
Like
video
this
is
pizza.
very crazy and a little intense. Uploaded on Reddit about a couple years ago, we have footage of a cop who is off duty, attempting to arrest a suspect that just ran him over.
What?
2209, 11th Street Southeast.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. The guy's running towards his house, too, though.
What is he doing? What an idiot. I'm just calling all these people idiots. Because people are.
Alright. You're actually I'll make them idiotic. That's what it is.
Oh my god, is he really just gonna get in that vehicle and just drive off?
The cop tries to get the man to come out the vehicle, but
They
the man
don't.
refuses. And what happens next is just absolutely
no.
wild and insane.
Is this him hitting him?
Does he get hit or does he almost get hit?
I have no idea. Mm. Oh my god!
No, he does get hit.
We fortunately do know what happened after this video. The off-duty officer got away with only minor cuts and bruises, while the suspect was eventually pulled over and arrested while driving down the
That's
freeway.
right. Mm.
One of these guys ends up shooting himself while trying to break into this home.
Are you freaking... Gunshot.
That's what I call instant karma.
Yep.
Yes.
This next video was uploaded back in 2022, as we see a
Oh,
man who
wow.
looks a little like Jesus walk up to this home late at night for whatever
Really?
reason.
That looks scary. If I saw somebody like that, just like...
Why is he there, though? Like, why are all these people just randomly going to random people's houses?
I don't know. People are weird. Like, what
The
does he
man
want?
continues to stand there
What does he
until
want?
eventually the homeowner noticed him on the camera and threatens him to leave.
This is, my name is James.
Looks a little scary. Seriously.
Sammy?
What's your name?
James.
And who are you looking for?
A friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy. And I got a Glock over here ready for you. So if you don't get the fuck off my porch, I'm gonna unload it on your fucking face. Get the fuck off my porch.
Dang.
I don't know about you guys, but I definitely got a laugh when he said, I'm looking for Sammy Sosa. Like, yeah, you're definitely looking for Sammy Sosa. Who's gonna believe
Sammy?
that? These homeowners were woken up late one night
Oh
to
my
a very
God.
unusual sighting.
That's crazy.
It's just a bear just out wandering.
Just doing its thing.
Hearing it sniff is so cute, actually.
Even though that bear seems harmless, I
Aw.
wouldn't recommend opening that door.
Yeah.
This next video was uploaded by a Reddit user back in 2022. They stated in the Reddit post that they did not know who this woman was, and she tried to open their garage door twice before leaving.
Yeah.
That's weird.
You know, I know you shouldn't open the door, and I know that. But, like, then again, sometimes, like, especially if it's a woman, you just never know. She could be escaping something horrible, you know? But I'm not telling anyone to open up their doors for anyone. But this girl could be trying to get away from someone. But then again, she could also just be some crazy person.
I mean, yeah, that's true. Anyone can be going through anything. You know what I mean?
And she also could be used as bait as well. You know, looking like she's, you know, helpless and needs help. And then they open the door and then some, like, bigger guys come in and
Kill them, take
or
their
rob
stuff,
them. And, yeah.
do all the worst.
What is up with these random people walking up to houses with cameras and still proceed to commit
It's
a
like
crime?
they know that there's a camera.
Honestly, it just blows my mind.
Or they don't.
During Halloween
I
in
feel like they do
2022, we get to witness another case of instant karma.
Dude, the slap. When this guy's on the ground.
Maybe
Poor
that'll
kid,
teach
but at the
him
same
not
time.
to take all the candy next time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This next video, captured by a Ring doorbell camera, shows a man trying to rob this car late at night.
What the flip?
People are so crazy.
Terrifying.
Apparently, the dude didn't find anything, so he just decided to pour water all over the interior of the car.
What is wrong with people?
Really? It's an empty car, yet you have to.
Maybe it was dirty, so he wanted to give it a little clean. I'm just kidding.
So freaking
Have
stupid.
you ever delivered packages before? In this last video, we get to witness an Amazon delivery driver take the biggest fall of his life.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Ooh.
Dang, that's...
I bet that's gonna hurt.
Dang, dude.
I know he's in pain, but hopefully that was his last delivery for the night.
Right? That's
Oh my
terrifying.
God.
21, a woman named Shayla Bryan and her husband were inside their home in North Carolina when their 13-year-old son went outside to walk their dog.
Oh no.
As soon as he walked out the door, the Ring camera footage captured a suspicious silver BMW stop in front of the family's front lawn, after which a strange man got out of the vehicle and approached the teenager.
Oh boy, that's terrifying.
It's a good thing though those parents had that ring light.
Yeah.
Or ring light. Why do I keep calling it
Camera.
ring light?
Camera.
The camera. Doorbell cameras.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Without even introducing himself, the man asked the boy if he lives in the neighborhood. According to the teenager's mother, she and her husband had taught their son about stranger danger multiple times in the past, but on this particular occasion, the boy appeared to freeze up out of fear. What's most disturbing about the recording is that the man didn't waste a split second to get out of the car and talk to the boy, which suggests he was either prowling around the neighborhood waiting for someone to step out of their house, or he was very familiar with the Bryant family's routine and was specifically targeting the boy.
Oh no.
Fortunately, the teenager's father was able to intervene before anything could happen.
Good.
Thank God.
That's why I'm saying it's a good thing they had that doorbell camera.
Oh, I was wondering about the airplane noise. Talking to my son and ain't got no adult out here. That's kind of creepy.
Exactly.
When the boy's father confronts him, the stranger is forced to think quickly on his feet and blurts out that he was wondering about the airplane noise in the area.
I'm sure that's what you want.
Obviously, it doesn't make a lot of sense to be driving around a random neighborhood waiting for a 13-year-old kid to walk out of his house just to ask him a question like that, and the father doesn't appear to buy the story for a second. Shayla Bryant, the boy's mother, mentioned she remained apprehensive after the incident, especially since it was never confirmed what exactly the man was planning to do. The suspect drove off soon after and was never seen again.
Good. Stay away from people.
On July 15th, 2022, a TikToker uploaded this chilling footage of an unexpected visit to her home while she was gone. In it, a disturbing voice can be heard asking to be let in at her house's back door.
Dude.
There's nothing there.
That is scary. Like,
the person repeats the words, "Let me in," as they scratch and knock on the back door.
There might be something
The eerie
there.
quality of the voice, coupled with the fact that nobody can be seen on screen, led a lot of viewers to come up with different theories as to who may have been at the door.
So it has
During
to
the
be a real
entire
person.
video,
Oh
a
my
human
God.
shadow can be easily made out in the
That's what I'm
bottom right-hand
saying.
corner of the screen, but the person themselves never walks in front of the camera. Some viewers suggested this alludes to the footage being staged. Others, however, think that someone with malicious intent could be targeting her house and urge the user to be careful. To this day, it hasn't been confirmed what exactly this footage shows, and no further updates have been made by the TikTok user.
Terrifying.
That's scary.
It really is.
In August 2019, a security camera inside a home in Troy, Michigan captured a suspicious man walking up the stairs and looking around the house. Based on his body language, it doesn't look like he knows his way around the home, and that's because he broke in. Although the next part of the incident wasn't caught on camera, a few seconds after walking up the stairs, the man walked into the homeowner's bedroom, where he found her sleeping. Disturbingly, the woman reported that she woke up screaming to the man standing over her bed. The intruder immediately ran out of the house, but even with the footage, police were left with no leads on who this could have been or how he had gotten in. It wasn't until 2 months later in October of that year that the same man was once again captured on camera in another home in Rochester Hills, Michigan.
Oh, I saw his first time then. Oh. What is this dude?
the same guy?
I think so, because they just said something about him doing it again. Or he tried to go in.
In this incident, the man can be seen climbing onto the hot tub and peering through the window for a few seconds before walking away. Although the incident was also reported by this homeowner, the man continued to dodge the police for several months after that. Then, in January 2020, the man made yet another appearance in the area. In this instance, he peered through the kitchen window of a house in Bloomfield Township and hid behind a tree, after which the homeowner received a notification from his home security camera alerting him to the stranger's presence. Even though the first part of the incident wasn't caught on camera, footage of the man walking along the side of the house was later released.
Oh, it's snowing. That's the same dude. What the flip? You know that people are,
That's just straight up scary. What does that person want? What do people want?
when they do this.
What? Like,
What
Once
makes
again,
them
the intruder evaded the
wanna do
authorities, and it wasn't
Is that
until a
their
few days
intuition
later that the
thoughts
police
finally
finally made a
win?
break in the case. In February 2020, the same man was seen by a cop running from a residential yard in Bloomfield Township in the same neighborhood as the last time he was captured on video. This time he was arrested, issued a citation and a restraining order, and forced to wear a GPS tether until his court date. The man was identified as 27-year-old Donovan Johnson, and it was later revealed that he worked as a bankruptcy attorney. After he was put in jail and released on bond, there were no further updates on the case. But
I'm
if he was
confused.
convicted, it's likely
Was
he's
he
still
like
serving time to this
scoping out
day.
his like what? Not
Alright,
the
I'm
enemy.
done.
or
I'm getting.
whatever?
I'm having enough of this. I'm getting scared.
Alright, Kayla's gonna. We're gonna stop it from here now.
Hope you guys like this kind of video. If you want to
It's
see
scary out
us
there.
reacting to more things, let us know down below in the comments.
Exactly.
See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.